Welcome. Welcome to this practice of Yoga Nidra. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to arrive completely. Let your feet fall open. Your arms rest at your sides, palms turned upward. Allow your eyes to close. Take one full breath in through your nose and release it slowly, completely. Feel the weight of your body held by the ground. You are safe here. You are supported. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, nothing to hold. Let every muscle soften, your jaw, your shoulders, your hands. Your body becomes heavy and still. We begin with your Sankalpa, your heartfelt intention. Allow one word or one phrase to arise from within you. Perhaps peace, healing, trust, enough. Receive it and repeat it silently 3 times with your whole heart. The seed has been planted. We begin the rotation of awareness through the body. Simply hear each part and rest there briefly. Right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, back of the right hand, palm of the right hand, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder, right side of the chest, right side of the waist, right hip, right thigh, right knee, right calf, right ankle, right heel, sole of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third, fourth, little toe, left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, back of the left hand, palm of the left hand, left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder, left side of the chest, left side of the waist, left hip, left thigh, left knee, left calf, left ankle, left heel, sole of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third, fourth, little toe, lower back, middle back, upper back, back of the neck, back of the head, forehead, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, nose, lips, chin, throat, whole right side of the body, whole left side of the body, your whole body simultaneously, still heavy at rest. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the cool touch of air at the tip of the nostrils on the inhale, the warmth of the release on the exhale. Your body breathes on its own. You simply witness. Count your breaths backward from 21. Each exhale, one number lower. If you lose the count, return to 21. The breath continues on its own. We enter now the space of visualization. You are resting in an ancient forest before dawn. The air is cool and still, carrying the scent of moss and pine. High above you, the last stars are fading between the branches. At the horizon, a pale amber light begins to glow. A single bird calls somewhere in the darkness. trance returns. You feel the pulse of the earth beneath your back. Ancient roots reaching down through stone, through time. You too are rooted here. Held by something vast and quiet and old. In this stillness, you remember you have always been this quiet. Return to your Sankalpa. From this depth, plant it once more 3 times. It is held within you. Very gently, we begin to return. Become aware of the room around you. The sounds, the air, the surface beneath you. Deepen your breath. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Allow movement to return to your body. A gentle stretch. Roll slowly to one side. And when you are ready, press up to sitting. Notice the quality of your mind. This stillness is always available to you. Carry it with you. Namaste.